Disclaimer, not sponsored by Lionel. Merry Christmas, everyone! It's me, Joseph Cavagnaro, and today I have another unboxing for you. Right in front of me, not only do I have an HDMI cable, but I also have a Pennsylvania Railroad high rail from Lionel. So let's start off with the HDMI cable, shall we? This came from the same fan that gave me the HDMI cable in the S8 video. So anyway, inside here you get the HDMI cable, and then here's the HDMI cable untangled. It stretches about 6 feet or 6 inches, I'm not sure. But anyway, moving all this stuff aside, next up we have the Lionel Pennsylvania high rail. Pennsylvania Dodge Ram. It has an electronic reverse unit, precision can motor drive, and illuminated head and tail lights. So that's pretty cool. So opening the box up, inside the box here you get the instruction manuals and 1-year warranty for the train. And inside the box you also get the Lionel Dodge Ram high rail. So this is pretty cool. The wheels move on it, and here's the underside of it. And if you look closely, not sure if it'll focus, but let me get some light so you could see it better. I'm not sure if you could read it, but it says Pennsylvania Horseshoe Track Gang. This is a reference to the Horseshoe Curve in Altoona, Pennsylvania, and I've even filmed some rail fanning videos there, so I recommend checking them out. So anyway, here's what the back of it looks like, here's what the side of it looks like, and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna test this on the rails. So I'm back on the main line with the high rail. If you haven't seen my Hanukkah special, yeah, here's what the main line looks like now. So anyway, I'm going to run this high rail. I'll probably run a second train on the other line. Anyway, I'm gonna be running them now. So that's going to be it for this video on the Pennsylvania Railroad Dodge Ram 1500 high rail. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you all in my next video.